In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Google Sites to your Google domain that you've just bought. Now this is very easy and I'll share what you need to do. So first you need to go ahead and go to your Google Sites and then publish it in the top right hand corner. So go to the top right, click on publish. And because I've already published it, it's going to ask me to return to the editor. But you just need to go ahead and publish your site. Now, when you publish it, you don't need to publish it with a custom domain. Just publish it as a normal Google site and make sure everything else is checked. Now, once you've done that, you can then go ahead and view your unpublished site, and you'll see your site will be published with the standard Google domain. Now, what we need to do is we now need to connect this to the domain that you've bought. So now head over to Google Domains, then log in and go to My Domains. Then you should see the domain. You can then click on Manage. And inside of here, you need to then go to Website. And you've then got two options. Now, the one we want to click on is Build a New Website. So click on Build Website. Now, don't worry, we can add an existing website using this method. So scroll down, go to Simple Site, powered by Google Sites. Click Continue. And here you can see you can use an existing site. So click on that. Then you're going to need to choose which website you want to link with the domain. It's going to try and link it as best as it can by default, but if you've got multiple websites, choose the one that you want to connect. In this case, it's already chosen the right one. You can then make sure this is checked and then click on Connect Site. You can see here it might be offline for a few minutes while everything is connecting. Okay, so this isn't the correct website. This is from a previous video, but we just need to wait between 15 minutes and sometimes up to a couple of hours for it to take place. But nonetheless, we will copy our domain name here, and I'll just go to an incognito window and see if it's working. Right now it is not, but I'll be back once it is. So now you can see everything's updated, and if we copy the URL of the domain, head to incognito and paste it in, you can see now it redirects to our Google Sites website. So that's literally all you have to do.